Students, now I am just going to solve example number 12 of exercise 1.4. Example 12. Let A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12. Find A union B. Find A union B. And solution, because of that, in A and B the common elements are 6 and 8. It appears in both the sides, so they will count only single times. So A union B is equal to no one element should be left, all elements should be taken from A and B. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So A union B is the set containing the element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Now example number 13. Example 13. Let A is equal to A, E, I, O, U and B equal to A, I, U. Then show that A union B is equal to A. Means the union of A and B is equal to the same set A. And solution, A union B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Union B, B is A, I, U. Now here we can see the common elements are A, I, U. So they will appear single times. A, E, I, O, U. E and O are other elements. So we can observe all the elements consist in this set. It is taken from set A. So which is set A. So this implies A union B is equal to A. Hence proved. Hence proved. Now student, example number 17. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Find A intersection B. Find A intersection B, and hence show that A intersection B is equal to B. Means when you will find A intersection B, you can observe the set of A intersection B is same B means first of all we will write set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then intersection B. B means 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now intersection is common element. Now check what the elements which are common in both the side A and B. They are 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. It is same as set B. So this implies A intersection B is equal to set B. Hence proved. Now example I am writing. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Find A minus B and B minus A. As I told you in our previous video, A minus B, the difference of two sides. If it is written A minus B, then we have to write the elements of A only, which not included in B. And B minus A means we have to write the element of set B only, not included the element containing in A. So in solution, A minus B is equal to, check first what the elements which are common in both, remove them only and write the element of A. So before finding it, we will find A intersection B. A intersection B are 2, 4 and 6. So ignoring these elements from set A. So A minus B is 1, 3, 5. So this is A minus B. And B minus A means removing the element of A intersection from B. So the set of elements in set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. So remove the element 2, 4, 6. Only 8. So B minus A is 8 and A minus B is the set containing the element 1, 3, 5. It's your answer.